celebrations, and events. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about celebrations and events, phrases you can use to congratulate, celebrate, and share happiness with others. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story, Emma's birthday. Surprise. It's Saturday morning. Emma wakes up and checks her phone. She sees a message from her best friend, Lisa. It says, "Happy birthday, Emma." Emma smiles and replies, "Thank you." A few hours later, Lisa calls and says, "Let's celebrate together tonight." Emma feels excited. In the evening, Emma goes to the cafe. When she opens the door, everyone shouts, "Surprise! Happy birthday!" Emma laughs and says, "That's amazing!" Her friends give her gifts and say, "Congratulations, you did it! You finished your final exams!" Emma can't stop smiling. She says, "Thank you so much, you guys are the best!" Then Lisa raises a glass and says, "Cheers!" Everyone says together, "Cheers!" Before leaving, her friend John says, "Best wishes for your next adventure." Emma replies, "Thanks. Have a nice day tomorrow." She walks home full of joy. It's a wonderful night filled with laughter, friendship, and love. Emma thinks, "This is the best birthday ever." Now it's time for the Q&A mini-story, Emma's birthday surprise. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's Saturday morning. Who wakes up and checks her phone? Emma. What day is it? Saturday. What does she see on her phone? A message from her friend Lisa. What does the message say? Happy birthday, Emma. Who says happy birthday? Lisa. Does Emma feel sad or happy? Happy. Lisa calls and says, "Let's celebrate tonight." Who wants to celebrate? Lisa. When do they celebrate? Tonight. Does Emma feel tired or excited? Excited. In the evening, Emma goes to the cafe. Where does she go? To the cafe. What happens when she opens the door? Everyone shouts, "Surprise! Happy birthday!" What does Emma say? That's amazing. Her friends say, "Congratulations, you did it." What did she do? She finished her final exams. How does Emma feel? Very happy. Does she thank her friends? Yes. Lisa raises a glass and says, "Cheers." Who says cheers? Lisa, do they all say cheers? Yes. What are they celebrating? Emma's birthday and her success. Before leaving, John says, "Best wishes for your next adventure." Who says that? John. What does Emma say back? Have a nice day tomorrow. How does the night end? It's wonderful and full of joy. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about celebrations and events. Today, you practiced joyful phrases like, "Let's celebrate," "Congratulations," "Happy birthday," "Cheers," "Best wishes," "That's amazing." And you did it. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.